So I just got this 320 kilo battery into my garage. It's a e-golf battery. It says 36.8 kilowatt hours, I think. And it was a bit dramatic to get it here. Some straps broke. This battery will be the foundation of the e-conversion of this mini car I have out here on the outside of the garage. So the next step is to dismantle it, to remove this fine looking aluminium cover. I think it's actually glass fiber. And pick it apart. The pack is finally disassembled. Let me just show you all the components inside. Starting from the cells, we have these half modules, 10 of them. So these are 2S3P, 111 amp hours. And then you have the master modules. So these will actually control both these cells and these cells. So these are, you know, slave modules, and these are master, and these are slaves as well. And for you that has a keen eye, it should be 8 of them, and I actually put one in the car to try out the size in different places, like underneath the sofa and so on, if it fits. And then there's a lot of screws. And then you have the bus bars, and yeah, they're all unique, I think. And then you have some high voltage wiring for the balancing leads between the master modules and the slave modules. Then you have the CAN communication, I guess, the 12 volt or low voltage communication between the master modules. And then you also have this pack. I haven't disassembled this one yet, but you know, there's contactors, there's fuses, you can see the pre-charge resistor underneath there. And I think this one, there's a lot of warnings here that there's a capacitor inside, so the voltage drains really slowly after you disconnect this one. Yeah, and then you also have some earth connections, 2 of them for the pack. So that's it, all the components. Another thing to note is all these brackets. So a lot of metal brackets inside the pack itself, so that builds up to the weight of it.